back to the show. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Well, it's going to be a little bit of a slow week, right? Because it's a short week. But again, here we are, back again. Tristan, hello. Dominic, good to see you back. Son of Wall Street, good morning. Dominic, how's it going? Didn't open the chart? Oh, good idea. Yeah, I haven't been trading last week as well. I was a little bit sick. Hello there. Good morning. Blue Ken, hello. Good morning there. All right, so what was happening so far? What is going on? Next Tuesday, 100%. Yeah, I mean, it's better to stay away from the markets. I'm kind of taking it slow myself. So only taking it slow as usual. 6th of January. That's a good day to start. Parmeet, hello. Welcome. Okay, so we took out 44.58 on gold, and we're still hovering above 730. Interesting, because that's basically a demand zone down there. So quite interesting. Would love to see price go down there. That would be really interesting. Let's see, what do we have? Okay. Seems like 20 points away. So we can still go down there. But I wonder if we will or not. Could also go a little bit higher, but anyway, 15-minute demand zone at 730, right below. Kind of wondering if we're gonna go there or not, but interesting, that's for sure. So, how's it going, everyone? Yeah, it's definitely slow markets today. It's slow. It is slow. And I was thinking that it should be going lower. I mean, and it's just interesting how NQ was not able to go lower. I mean, this level is pretty much holding. Yonix, hello, welcome back. How's it going, Yonix? So the level is holding. Not much is happening. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting that 732 has not been tagged. Or was, oh yeah, it was tagged. Sorry, it was tagged. So we'll see how it goes. Very slow indeed. So we're hovering above 730 here, and gold is pretty much, you know, just down there. Nothing is going on. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen here above that 730 level. We have some 5-minute supply zone and 15-minute supply zone higher. So anything can happen. Anything is possible. Well, let's just wait. Yeah, it does. It does. NQ is respecting that level. Just hovering sideways. And so I thought that we're gonna have some volume kicking in at 8:30, but it's not happening. No volume. Nothing. All right, let's just wait a little bit, all right? And I'm gonna make a quick phone call. Never mind. Hey Farhad, good morning. Alicia, welcome back. Sorry, I'm just waiting for a call here. Well, they're not picking up. How's it going, guys? Let's smash the like button, everybody. We need to push these streams this year. I mean, I already speaking in 2026 terms, but yeah, I mean, this next year, 26, we're gotta be super, how should I say, on our edges. Merit, hello, good morning. Doing great, welcome back. Good to see you. All right. Kind of waiting for this market to move a little bit. I want to see this 730 being tagged. I opened up a scalp position, but I forgot where it was. Oh, here is it. And ticks. All right. So I'm kind of hoping that it will go lower. Moving my stop a little bit. Gold is dumping. Let's see what happens. Satish, hello there. I don't know how price will deliver, but 608. It could be. It's possible. That's why I'm kind of curious if we're gonna hit that level down there or not. Actually, you know what? I might gonna close this trade. All right, I closed it. The problem is that it actually bounced up quite a few times. I mean, look at all these lows here. I think it was better to close it anyway. Reza Banks is here. Hey, Reza, what's up? Been a long time. Hey. Been busy. All right, Dominic, I have to try with Ninja Trader because I want to trade with TRADEIFY and TRADEDAY too. And since Project X is no longer available next year, I gotta go with Ninja Trader. So good to see you, Reza, man. Yeah. Send them if you have that time to check it. Oh, okay. All right. I mean, did you send me an email, Reza, about some? Oh, now I see it. Okay. I'm definitely gonna check it. Let me read your email real quick. Oh yeah, I was reading your email a few days ago. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna check it out. Wow. Wow. This looks good, Reza. I'm gonna check it. Definitely, man, definitely I'm gonna send an email to you. Definitely, Dan. Thank you so much for sending this info. Hey, Ash Kumar. Hello there. Good afternoon. How's it going? Hold on a second. I'm gonna try this call once more. Oh, it's not available. I saw just now. Asia moved like, yeah, Asia moved quite nicely. 120 points is not so bad, actually. It's very good. 120 points. Oh, definitely, Reza. I liked it. I just checked for a minute on the link you sent me, and wow, that is really something there. I'm gonna dive into it later, and I'm gonna check out in detail. I'm gonna read everything. Thank you for sending it. Farhad, what's up? Fundintic still haven't opened the live account for me, and they changed all their rules. Yeah, I heard about that, Farhad. Like all those rule changes, I don't know what the heck is going on. I still don't understand, because I remember you were doing real good with them. And I don't know what is all this fiasco. I mean, I was reading that they're delayed because of Christmas and everything. I don't know, because with some accounts. But until the time being, I actually said this morning to everybody, like, I'm not going to say, I mean, I'm not going to promote funding ticks until they're not changing anything on their rules or something, because right now it's not really good. I mean, I know that you made a really good run with funding ticks, Farhad, I know. And I don't know what the heck they're waiting for, but also I know that on their Discord they said that because of the holidays and New Year and something like that, staff is a little bit slower to generate new accounts or to move people to live or something like that. I was constantly checking their Discord. I saw a proper match deleted funding ticks from their web. Yeah, a few affiliates have removed them as well, including Patrick Wieland, Prop Firm Match, and some others have some bigger websites removed funding ticks because of their retroactive rule change. I mean, last time someone did this was Fast Track Trading, and that's really bad. Retroactively changing the rules and denying payouts, that is really bad. Yeah. Yeah, so Reza, I agree. Like, this is again something that, I mean, nobody would have thought. Like, it's just so hard to predict, like, which one of these prop firms are gonna go in a good way or bad way. Like, usually they always say, like, yeah, let's try to stay with the big ones, right? Let's try to stay with the big names, with the big prop firms. And Funding Pips, which is the mother company of Funding Ticks, is a big one. Like, since the Forex space, they were been around since years, but they were paying out people. So I just don't know what was the sudden issue here. But yeah, it's such a shame. They basically every trade that has been held under 1 minute has been deleted. So if your profits are being made under 1 minute, that is considered scalping. So if you were having an open position for 40 seconds, they erase those profits and it has been considered as scalping. So those profits have been erased. That's very bad. That's the major issue, and some other changes as well. And they did it retroactively, all of their accounts. So yeah. Daily BC, yeah, we're going there. It seems like metrics. Gabor has funding ticks. De ez nem szó, szerintem te nem kereskedtél velük. Yeah, Dominic, that's not cool. They sent email, they put the profit, what? It was already over. Take Profiter reached out to them and asked how much more I have to make. They told me to go figure out what? Oh my gosh. All right, Reza, see you soon. And yeah, Reza, I'm gonna check out the link you sent me and I'll send you an email. All right, thank you so much again for sending it, Reza. Oh, Tick Trader, yeah, sorry, Tick Trader. Yeah, also Tick Trader, very bad. Nem tartott sokáig. Azért köszönöm a supportot, Gábor, köszönöm szépen. Köszönöm. Hát maradjunk a nagyokkal, azt gondolom. Yeah, shenanigan, that's like, wow. They just sent you, like, go figure out yourself. That's a little bit rude from them to say. Kind of waiting for a phone call here. Oh, nice. Congratulations, Gabor. All right, NQ is not doing anything. Gold is dumping. But for how long? How far are we going down here? Wow. What a drop. What a drop. What a drop here on gold. J Rich Trades, hello. What's up? Good morning from LA. Well, today I had a short in London session on NQ, sorry. So we had a short in London. It was somewhere around here. And I took a short, a scalp trade earlier. Somewhere around there. I think I took it from there. And that was it. I closed it manually at 34 or something like that. What is your view for a swing trade in the gold? Swing trade on gold. Well, we can check it out. Swing trade in gold, but you know, we need a good target in order if we want to swing trade. But you know what? I think we have a good target. Look at that. Hourly chart. Look at this. Beautiful demand zone down there. Absolutely beautiful demand zone. 43.87. Actually, hold on. That's gonna be 43.86.1. 43.86.1. That would be a good trade. I mean, even if you go in with just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, early profit taking there. Look at that, 1-to-1. There you go. That's your trade. Obviously not financial advice, but yeah, kind of cool. That would be a swing position for me if I would swing trade. Buy Lucid firm account. What about that? Lucid Trading seems like, you know, it's very solid, very popular. Very popular Lucid Trading right now. Rider. Thanks for asking. So they are popular. Most likely the biggest advantage is because there's no activation fee and no monthly payment on the evaluation account, and so that's it. Only one-time payment for the account. You can take as many months as you need if you want to pass the account. So it can be 2 months, 3 months. There's going to be no rebill at Lucid. Only one-time payment and end of day trailing. Quite good, right? End of day trailing. So it's very popular nowadays. Everyone is, you know, going with it. If you guys would like to support the channel with a Lucid account, I mean, if you're purchasing Lucid account, you can also use my code, which is, by the way, statistically gives you 1.98% chance better to pass any evaluation account at any prop firm. Nice, Tristan. Congratulations on the short. Yeah, NQ is falling like a knife here. Oh my gosh, NQ? Oof, what happened? What just happened here? What is going on? Okay, let's see this. Okay. This is very good movement, I gotta say. Sell side liquidity is gonna be at, in this case, 627. That's actually the low of the demand zone right there. Whew. And no retracement, just trades going down there. Don't chase it, everyone. You gotta be careful. You gotta be real careful. It's just it's falling like a knife. Yeah. Look at how this level got broken, like boom, like it never existed. Like it's amazing. And sell side 627. Wow. Wow. Look at this. It's going. It just keeps on going just like that. Also gold. What is going on? It's tanking. Tanking markets, everyone. I'm out of coffee. Pretty interesting. Yeah. Market maker buy or sell model on NQ. If this is a sell model, then the final target could be this 627. K-Bell, hello there. Welcome. Yeah, it's pretty clean. And we still have the 930 open, so that's going to be interesting. Thank you so much, Dominic. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Dominic, for the support. I appreciate it, man. Last week price action has actually been better than some previous month. Yeah, exactly, Gabriel, exactly. I noticed that too. It was really decent and good price action. By the way, since we are here in the early New York session, let's all smash the like button and let's show YouTube that we're here, all right? Let's smash that like. Thank you, thank you. We need to show the YouTube algo that the stream is here. I mean, last week was slow and I was a little bit sick, but... So yeah, so far today's range is pretty good. Today's range is so far better than a normal business day on any given day throughout the year. Very good price action so far. And actually nice drop, so I can't complain. And good trades. Look at gold, wow. Oof, oof, oof. Definitely bearish. Anyone has any plan on trading this? I'm gonna show you what I was thinking. So I have my supersonic indicators as well. I told you guys I'm gonna be showing more about this soon. So this is NQ. That was a nice short signal. All I'm waiting for is a possible retracement higher. The same on gold as well. Also a beautiful short signal on gold based on this. Look at that. It doesn't really get any better than this. This was the perfect entry right there. Absolutely beautiful. All right. So this could be a possible pullback on NQ. I mean, sorry, not pullback, more likely a retracement. But is this going to be enough for a short here? Look at that. For a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio trade, this is actually not a bad entry. Just saying. This is not a bad entry. Hey Maximus, wealth charts have similar indicators. Yeah, this is I never tried wealth charts, but this is MetaTrader 5. So this is MetaTrader 5. A little bit of a custom indicator. I am not the one who coded it or did the color thing. Okay, now it's actually okay. It's better. $100 they completed. Nice, good job, congratulations. Well, it just looks like something from the. That's cool. That's actually a little bit like a retro style, trading retro style. You know. Well, so far, this is all we have. So we're watching gold, we're watching NQ. Not much is happening. Gold definitely looks like oversold. Gotta be careful here. I think the main move has done. Or it's being done. Oh, this is the 5 minutes, sorry. Okay. Yeah, this was a beautiful short here. Absolutely a beautiful short. And I didn't take it. I don't know why. Hey Herb, what's up? How's it going? Mockery trace, last 10 minutes of hourly candle. Yes. Yes, it could be the one. It could be the thing. Gotta be watching for this level. Same goes for gold. You needed 5 hours of sleep. Yeah, well, 5 hours would be the bare minimum. Like, we all need, like, how much? At least 7 hours, right? Some say 8 or 9. I would say the bare minimum would be 6, but most likely 7 hours of sleep would be needed for everyone. Hey, Burdado, welcome. How's it going, man? Hey, welcome, welcome. Let's all smash that like, guys. Let's push it. We need to send this stream. Okay, so is this going to continue lower? Now we do have a market open at 9:30, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we have a market open. It's not a bank holiday in the US, right? So we should be seeing something. By the way, I just want to show you, this is my Christmas present. I got a Casio digital wristwatch. It's from the 1970 something. I mean, it's a brand new, but it's the old design. It's the oldest design from Casio. Yeah, super awesome. Great. It's super classic. Yeah. I remember having a same like this when I was a kid. Like, it wasn't the same. It was having the plastic. What's this called? Anyway. But it was having the plastic cover, but it's the old classic one. Yeah. It's the old classic one. And this was the first design ever in the digital Casio wristwatches, and I just love it. I mean, this was the first design that has been sold worldwide. I think it was 1979 specifically for this one. It's a classic one. Anyway, I like these retro things. I do like it. Trader Zoltan, hello. I was trading with them like a year ago or something. They're not bad. I mean, I haven't had any bad experience with them. So I didn't get a payout with them. But trading wise, I didn't see anything negative or something. So nothing bad. I know the upfront cost is cheap on their evaluation accounts, I think. F91W. Oh my gosh, if I would know which one is that. This one is the... I don't even know which one is this. It's an old one. I mean, there's no MyFunded TV today, or is there?
Wow, I thought it looked amazing.